Let me quickly explain this. If diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal, a quadrilateral ABCD has been given and the diagonals AC equals BD. That is the first thing. Diagonals are equal. This is the first point. The second point, they bisect each other. AC bisects BD into two equal parts and BD bisects AC into two equal parts. Therefore, if this is point O, OA equals OB equals OC equals OD is the second point. And the third point is they bisect each other at right angles, which means this is, if one of that is 90 being linear pair, everything else is 90. Therefore, angle AOB equals angle BOC equals angle COD, and everything is 90 here. And we are required to prove the if component is the given component explained just now, and the then component is to prove component, and we have to prove that ABCD is a square. That means these four need be proved to be equal, and now these angles, any one should be proved to be 90 degrees. For this particular proof, we have to do the congruency for these two triangles so that we can get AD equals BC by CPCT, and then if we just go for these, we will get the for these two triangle congruency we will get AB equal DC, and AD and two pairs of opposite will only prove the parallelogram. But in order to prove that adjacent sides are also equal, we have to go for this linear pair axiom and pick these two congruencies so that we get adjacent sides are also equal to enable that the four sides are equal for a square. So for getting AB and CD equality, we are going for AOD and BOC congruency. From that we have OA equals to OB. OA equals to, this is the diagonal. OA is equal to OC and OD equals to OB, and we have this angle equals this angle. Angle AOD equals angle BOC by vertically opposite angles, and also it has been given that they are bisected at right angles. From this we have AOD congruent BOC by side included angle and side SAS congruency criterion, and from this we infer these two sides are equal. Now considering the adjacent triangles AOD and AOB, we have as usual OD equals OB and OA is equal to OA, and AOD equals AOB, which is 90 degrees, and also each is 90 degrees, which is given. This is given and this is common, and therefore triangle AOD congruent triangle AOB by SAS congruency criterion. Therefore we have AD equals AB. These two sides are equal by CPCT. Here once again in these two triangles we have OA equals OC and OB equals OD, and in between we have to write angle AOB equals angle COD. They are vertically opposite angles as well as 90 degrees has been given. Therefore triangle by SAS congruency criterion, again we have AB equals DC. This is an error I have written. This should be AD equals BC, because these two are the triangles for which we have undertaken the congruent. Now this is also CPCT. Now this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and let me write down all the 3 in an assembly. AB equals DC, this is the third part, and here we have AB equals AD, and here we have AD equals BC. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another, therefore AB equals to AD as well as DC, and now AD equals to BC. Therefore again Euclid's first axiom is under work, and if these two are equal, then these are bound to be equal. Therefore AB equals AD equals DC equals BC, and here we have the proof which is required, that all the sides are equal. All sides are equal. Now all sides are equal, it means a square, but it may also mean a rhombus. So we also have to fix the 90 degree of one of these angles, and to do so we have to pick two triangles for congruency, which will be triangle ABC and triangle BCD. And for the vertices correspondence, we can make ABC to sit on either BCD or DBC, whichever will be right, whichever is both are okay. For this we have AB equals BC, as they are sides and they have been proved to be equal just now here, and also the other components. So AB is equal to BC and BC equals to CD and AC is equal to CD. These are once again this has been proved from here, and this is diagonals are equal, which is given component, and by SSS congruence criterion we have triangle ABC congruent triangle BCD, and therefore angle BCD equals angle ABC. Here again we can use the parallel lines properties as C equals B, B equals C. We know that for parallel AB parallel DC with transversal BC, we have angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. Now how did we get to the parallel lines? Here we have two pairs of opposite sides. If they are equal, it is a parallelogram, so we are eligible to use the parallel line property here. Therefore now replacing B with C, we have B plus B equals 180, because angle C is also equal to angle B. Therefore angle 2B is 180 and angle B equals to 180 by 2 comes to 90 degrees. Hence if one angle is proved, the other is anyway equal, and opposite angles are also equal for a parallelogram, and hence it is proved that this structure is a square.